Okay, real quick before we get to them headlights, we got a few clips we got to remove to get this plastic piece off. And it's about 3 to 4 clips. You're gonna have one here, one in the center, one on that end, and I believe you have one down here. Unfortunately, mine is missing every single clip, so we're just gonna be removing this real quick. We're gonna set it off to the side. And now we'll be able to get to these 3 8mm nuts. Okay, once you got these 3 nuts removed, it's only holding on by one harness clip right here. You're gonna be pushing down this tab and pulling back on it. Now that we have the headlight assembly off, we're gonna be removing 5 screws. One of them, it's gonna be a Phillips screwdriver. And then the other 4, I am using a size 3 gear wrench, T-handle, hex key. And once we get these 5 screws off, we'll then be able to remove this plastic here, and we'll have access to the low beam and high beam light bulb. There it is. When you get this plastic off, you want to make sure that you don't lose this gasket here that keeps all the moisture out of these it keeps the moisture out of this here, because when you get moisture in here, it'll eventually burn out them light bulbs. So make sure that you don't lose the gasket that goes around this plastic piece. Okay, this one here is going to be your high beam, and this one here is going to be your low beam. This is the one that we're going to be replacing with the new LED lights, and with the same size 3 T-handle gear wrench. We're going to be removing both of these screws here. Removing those 2, you then have access to your light bulb. You want to make sure you don't put any fingerprints on that light bulb, because you put any fingerprints on that light bulb, sooner or later it'll burn your light bulb out. Okay, we went ahead and got that light bulb out. Now we're going to be replacing them with these cool LED lights that the boys from Auxito sent us. Comes with a little manual book and the 2 low beam headlights. This is pretty much self-explanatory. You're just going to remove and replace. See that there? That's your LED light. And it's going to go in just the way you took it out. So you're going to grab your LED light, and the way that original one came off is the way this one's going in. There it goes. Now everything from here is pretty much remove and replace. So now we're just gonna go back and put this plastic cover back on, and then we'll be putting the headlight back onto the car and see what this headlight looks like. Okay, the driver's side was done the same way as the passenger side. You got your 3 screws on top. Don't forget to push down this tab as you're pulling out the headlight. I already went ahead and swapped out my headlight bulb to my LEDs, just like I did over there on the passenger side. And if this is something you like to do to your car and want to grab yourself a cool set of LEDs from Auxito, click the link in my description, order yourself a set. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. And once again, I want to thank the guys over at Auxito. We'll go ahead and see you on my next video.